Okay, looks like we are live, and as usual, we are going live on two platforms. But before we do that, I just want to verify if I'm properly audible. So I did some changes to my mic again. Uh, I'm not sure how it is sounding. I will check that on my phone first. And let me know in the chat. Am I properly audible? Okay, looks like we are live, and as usual, we are going live. It is easily picking the sound from outside, so I need to tune it down a bit. Uh, okay, so let's start the live. So welcome back to this session, everyone. Another live, another week, or I should say weekend, and today is a good day for me because the 63 hours video is finally live. So we have uploaded that video on, I think, on Wednesday, and it took 2 to 3 days for the processing. So normally what happens is every time you upload a video on YouTube, so YouTube does multiple things. So after uploading, it goes for the processing part, and for a smaller video, the processing is a bit quick. But when you have a longer video, it takes more time for the processing and depend upon the quality as well. And once it does with the processing part, it goes into checking for the type of the content. Is it breaking uh, any, what do you say, policy of YouTube? So the processing is still happening. Sorry, not processing, but the checking is still happening. We made it live because we know there's nothing wrong with the video, but processing is done finally. It took 3 days. Okay, so for the 3 day video, it takes 3 days for the processing. That's what we understood, the way YouTube works. Okay. And by the way, YouTube is not, I mean, we are not allowed to upload such a big video, and YouTube is allowing. Thank you so much, YouTube. If anyone is watching from YouTube team, uh, okay, I hope. Okay, so the session today, the live today, is based on a topic called AI engineering. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. And before we do that, I mean, first of all, we have to do the setup. We need to get the quiz platform ready, and we have enough time for everyone to join. Okay, so we got AI engineering quiz. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen in 1 minute. But yeah, so in the comment section of that video, there are a lot of questions, and let me just answer that. I think they have some questions here as well. Is there any difference between the complete Java developer course in Telesco and the course that? Yeah, the videos are different. They're not exactly the same video. Core Java might be same, but the advanced part, like we have Spring, Kafka, what else we have, Terraform, those are different. So only the Core Java part is same. Is it YouTube live as well? Yeah, so we are going live on two platforms, YouTube and LinkedIn. Where's the link for the quiz? I'm going to share that in some time. Oh, thank you so much, Krishna. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now, and I will tell you the steps to join it. So let me just do that quickly. Share screen, just a Chrome tab, and here we go. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. How do you join this quiz? It's very simple. You take out your phone and scan this QR code. And once you scan, it will ask you for two things: the username, sorry, the email ID, and a name. Make sure that you enter the correct name. Now, there are prizes for this quiz, and we are doing that from a long time. And maybe we'll try to not do prizes next time, uh, because we still doing some testing with the platform. Oh, so sorry. I started the quiz by mistake. I just hope it will restart again. Saipi, if you're there, how do I restart the quiz? I think they have to join again, right? If I restart the quiz. So if I click on, we should have a separate, very separate button for. But if I exit, Saipi, I got your message on WhatsApp. If I exit, then the problem is I will lose this participants who I joined. Oh no issue. So Saipi, if I click on this present quiz, will it start from the first question? The present quiz and participant starts with P, so I got confused there. Okay, but it is same for everyone, right? Everyone will miss the first question. That's fine, Saipi. We'll start. Let's see how that works. Oh, it is showing quiz time up, is it? Now the quiz not started. Once I click on this present button, it will start. I'm waiting for 250 people to join, and then we'll start. Parallelly, I'm also going to share the link in the chat. Can you please share? Should I watch the 48 hours video or 62? Okay, so go with the 62 hours because that has the latest version of Spring. The 48 hours has an older version of Spring. Okay, so IP says we have to restart the quiz. Just a second. I'm going to restart the quiz. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. Is it a good time to restart Saipi? Because what I see on my dashboard is continue. Okay, after 20 seconds. Okay, so we have to wait for 20 seconds more. The team is resetting the quiz from backend. Okay, if I clone it. Yeah, so when I clone it, I got a new one with a different quiz code. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen again, once again, everyone. So do join that. So people already joined, you have to rejoin now. So close that window and rejoin this quiz. And I'm going to share this link again. Is it new video gonna upload on Udemy anytime soon? Udemy course is already updated, so we don't have to update that. It's just that the 48 hours video on YouTube was had an older version of Spring, and that's why we wanted to update it. And by default, the length became so big. The plan was not to break the record; it was just that we wanted to add new videos. And while we were doing that, we thought, as a Java developer, we have to learn different stuff, so we added more modules there. Yeah, so I restarted the quiz. Join this one, everyone. The quiz link, you have to share the QR code. So you can see on the screen, take out some other phone and scan this QR code, and you'll be able to join. Yeah, it will show waiting for the question is because I will be controlling the questions on your phone. So when I click on present, at that time, you will see that on your screen. So the Udemy course of Java and Spring updated with new video. It's already new, right? So the Spring version in that course is Spring Boot 3. I'm not focusing on Spring Boot 4 at this point is because it will take some time for the industry to use it. At that time, I will try to make it. At this point, everyone is using 3. Yeah, you can use laptop as well, but phone is more comfortable to use for the quiz. Okay, so 10 more. Once we cross 250, I will start the quiz. Yeah, you will not see the question at this point because I'm going to present the questions to you. So anyone who just joined this live stream, if you want to join the quiz, you can just scan this QR code. I'm going to paste this link once again in the chat. Yeah, of course you can comment in the chat, but if you want to participate, it's better to join through the QR code. Yeah, delay is there for YouTube and the platform. So the moment I'm doing the stream and when you receive it, there's a delay of 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, so let's start with the quiz, everyone. There are 20 questions, and the topic is AI engineering. And I think Saipi, next time when you update the platform, also write the topic name here somewhere so that they will know which topic we're talking about. So the first question, everyone, coming on your screen, and here we go. So it's not just about right answer, but also how fast you answer. So what is the main purpose of vector embedding? Okay, time up. Let's see what you have answered. Majority voted for convert data into meaningful vectors, and that is correct. So vector embedding map items like words, images, and users into numeric vectors that keep their meaning. This lets machine compare and find similar items and use those vectors in model. Yeah, in total we got 20 questions. Let's see the next question. In transformers, what does self-attention helps with? Okay, time up. Let's see what you have answered. Majority says focus on relevant input tokens, and that is correct. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard and who is doing well till this point. It's okay who is doing well. Okay, doing okay, or maybe more than okay. We got Shri, Ganpat, Aniket, Ravi, Kumar, Nasimha, Chinmay, Sakshi, Abhinay, and Malik. I think Malik was there last time as well. Sakshi, repeated names. I think Ganpat was also there. Okay, so that's how we'll know the winners. But we only got two questions now. We have in total 10 questions or 20 questions. So here we go. Next question is on your screen. Which scenario can still be underfitting? Okay, are they using Google Lens? I'm not sure. Uh, Let me also play on my phone and let's see if I use Google Lens, how fast I can answer. I'll enter my email. Okay. How do we use Google Lens? Should we install Google Lens or do we have that inbuilt? So Google Lens installed. Open. Okay. But then for that, I need two devices, right? One where I can get that. Okay, so I will just keep it open and see the next part. Let's see the correct answer for this. This large data set and smaller model. Okay, next question. Let's see if it can do that. I need to learn how to use Google search. Oh, circle to search, right. Okay, time up. So model engineering mainly focuses on designing and training model. That is right. So time for the leaderboard. And it is Shiri who is doing good. Then Sakshi, Malik. Okay, this time if Molly wins, and if this Sakshi is Sakshi Tiwari, then we are not going to give prizes, because we know that they won last time, right, Harsh? If you're there on the live stream, if the email matches, okay. So for sure they're using Google Lens there. Okay, next question coming on your screen, and here we go. I forgot how to do circle to search. Okay, fine tuning a model means what? It is, let's see what you have answered. That's right. Train, pre-trained model on new data. Next question.
The screen shows question 6, asking what a vector database is mainly used for. Based on the options and the image, the answer is B, store vectors and search similarity. Do you want to know more about vector data?
Yeah, it is fast. You have to do something with this team. Okay, let's see the correct answer. It is store vectors and search similarity. That's right. Let's see the leaderboard. It is Sakshi, Shri. Harsh, if you're there in the live, we need to check this. If the email matches with the previous winners. Yeah, Google Lens was fast. Okay, next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Backpropagation is used to Okay, time up. So backpropagation updates weight using loss gradients. Next question. Overfitting occurs when? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It is model memorizes and fail to generalize. That's right. Leaderboard, it is Shri, Sakshi, Yash. Okay, cool. So we got 12 more questions to go. Now, people who are here, don't try to win this. Mainly, it's more about learning things. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What is cosine similarity used for? Okay, let's see the correct answer. It is measure similarity between vectors. That's right. Is the quiz so easy or the AI is working very well? Yeah, something like this, right? Where I can, okay, that's a good option, looks like. So we can show the question on the next page, only options. Okay, next question. In RAG systems, retrieve data is obtained from. Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It is index data using embeddings. Okay, this quiz is simpler than JavaScript. Okay. Maybe we'll have some more difficult question later. Inway ground app circle to search won't work. So I didn't get you. Okay. Jose says I got 10 out of 10 without using AI. Oh, that's great. Okay. Time for the leaderboard. Is it happening same? Top three is not, they're not changing. Fourth, same, I think. Okay. Next question. Here we go. What is the role of tokenizer? Yeah, this is easiest, right? Okay, converts text into token values. That's right. Okay, next question. Key advantage of transformers over RNN. 3 seconds, 2, and time up. Let's see. It's handle input using parallel steps. Okay. So let's see the leaderboard at the end now, because it's not making sense. Am I slow or AI is so fast? Okay, next question. Here we go. In RAG system, if retrieved documents are irrelevant, the model will. Option should be handwritten. Uh, I think AI can read that as well. If you can read, AI can read. So maybe the only option is to use certain way to not allow AI to scan the screen. DRM can be used, but if someone is using two different phones and from one phone they're scanning it, tricky. It's very tricky. Okay, time up. So use them and may answer wrong. Yeah, this can be used. Question page 5 seconds. So the team is actually busy building LMS. Once they get free, they will be working on this quiz application again, and we'll try to tackle this. Question on screen options, only icons. I think the problem is when we do it on YouTube, it's not that fast. So YouTube has a delay. In fact, we were thinking that if you can only show the questions here and then options on your phone, but there's a delay. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. A model performs well on training data but poorly on unseen data. What is the most appropriate technique to reduce this issue? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It's apply regularization technique. Okay. Yeah, this one was hard, right? But still, you can see the number 155 people cite the right answer. Okay, next question. Here we go. In Transformers, attention scores are. Okay, time up. It's computed dynamically from input tokens. That's right. You can't see the option properly, is it? Is it for everyone or a few people are facing this? Okay, next question. What is the key drawback of using few shot prompting? Yeah, it's fine for me. I mean, you can see the options. Perfect. Okay, time up. It increases token consumption. That's right. Okay, there are 4 more questions. Okay. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. The context window includes which tokens? Okay, time up, and it's input and output tokens. Okay, next question. This time I'm not concerned about leaderboard. So maybe we'll fix this first, and then next time we'll try to play quiz with prizes. So this will be the last time with the prizes. Top 3 will get their prizes. Ask thinking based questions. But then even will be having issue with the correcting it. Okay, next question. What is the role of planner in AI agent or in an agent system? This feels like failing in public. Uh, that's fine. Yeah, this sounds like a good option. Can you do this, Harsh? When you send an email to the winners, uh, get them on a call with our team member. If they can answer questions quickly, we can give them prizes. Okay, the answer is decide next action steps. Okay, 2 questions more. Which of the following is the main purpose of evaluating a model? This is easy. Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer, and that's right. And the last question, everyone. Here we go. What does Hugging Face Hub provide? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It is model dataset and spaces. Okay. So layered questions. Instead of first question, make a chain. Question work answer. 5. Question 2. Use previous question answer. Miss one. Whole chain fails. AI users struggle with. Okay. Oh, the time is increased, right? Yeah. Maybe 20 seconds is good. What kind of LMS? You will get to know in next 10 days or maybe 2nd April, 3rd April. I will show you that. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. And okay, not this way. Let's see the leaderboard. So the winner, Rajwal, then we got Shri and Amir. Congratulations. So you will get your prizes, but as suggested, our team will get a call with you just to check if you're real and if you really know the concepts. But good job if you have not used AI. Video call. uh, okay, Amir says good luck for everyone. Yeah. Uh, thanks, Naveen, for this challenge. It was, oh, that's great. Congratulations, Amir. This is using technologies. Yeah, that's cool. Our next quiz topic will let you know. We'll let you know. So we have to decide first, and I think we'll take a break next week for the quiz. And once team fixes this issue, we'll again go with the quiz. Or even if we play, we'll not be playing for the prizes till we fix it. In-person quiz. Yeah. So once again, congratulations. Our team will connect with you, winners, and you will get to know the process. That was fun. Oh, that's great, Amish. What time is it in Egypt? It should be late night, is it? Um, so, what kind of LMS your team is working on? Yeah, as I mentioned, I will update you in next 10 days. So basically, the platform which we are using for the learning, to host the courses, it is a third-party platform. So we are building our own now. 60 hours, actually, how do you upload them on YouTube? It's simple. You can just click on the upload button and it goes. Uh, some companies restrict it for different reasons. I mean, for some, YouTube basically restrict it. It's not allowed. So if I try with a new channel, maybe it will not allow. I'm not sure how it is allowing. So what I read is there are two criteria. One is the length and second is the size. So the video which we uploaded has a size of 247 GB, and the limit is, I think, uh, is 250. Oh, that's right. That's right. Why I'm thinking that, so it's less than the Indian time. So I forgot. Yashada says, "Is this quiz will be conducted every weekend?" Yeah, I mean we did that for last 6-7 quiz. Next week we'll take a break, and then we'll continue. You can hide the options. Should visible only when the cursor. Oh yeah, that can be done. But then how will you play on mobile phone? Okay, that was a good quiz. For the next topic, I will let you know, but we'll to fix this first. How do you safeguard yourself from AI? Maybe I can ask this question to AI. Can I get a suggestion for Goody? So we are going to conduct a meetup soon, and if you can come there, think about it. Okay, so thank you so much for joining, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.